Hey, Happy New Year's, everybody. It is January 1st, 2025, brand new year, and I'm starting a new adventure. Hold tight, check it out. So, this is my new 2024 Heritage Classic 114. Just got it a couple of weeks ago. Everything on it right now is stock. So, with a new year starting, I thought, hey, might as well chronicle this journey of upgrades that we're doing. Okay, got a new box from JMP. Gonna open it up and see what's inside. One-handed. And try not to cut myself. First day of the new year. Alright. Alright, we got custom dynamics. Front and rear turn signals, LEDs. And we got Nelson Rig rain gear. I'll talk about that in a separate video. Right, we'll show a little before and after. This is the stock incandescent bulbs on the front and the stock incandescent bulbs on the rear. What's in the box? Not much to that. 2 front turn signals, 2 rear turn signals, and the instructions. Mostly plug and play, or should be. You do have to make sure that these fit your bike. As far as 1156 bulbs versus 1157. On this bike, the front are 1157s, meaning it has 2 pins that are only oriented one way, versus the rear, which is 1156, that are oriented the same way. Okay, so removal of the old bulb is pretty simple. There is a lip right there. Flat tip screwdriver, little turn, comes right out. Counterclockwise. Okay, you'll see on these bulbs that there are 2 prongs that are staggered. This is an 1157. There are actually 2 filaments in there, so you have to make sure you have the correct ones for your motorcycle. Right, the front are, on this particular motorcycle, the fronts are 1157, has 2 filaments. The rears are 1156, it only has 1. When we get back to the back, I'll show you the difference, but right now you can see how those are offset. So then the new one, again, is offset. It will only go in one way. Don't force it. If it's not going in easily, it's in incorrectly. Okay, so find which way it goes in. All right, the sun's right there. A little twist. Probably going to need a little bit of help with a screwdriver here. Okay, not too hard. And that's it. Okay, give it a twist just to get some of the excess up. One thing I forgot to mention, I've already done it off camera, was to make sure the rubber seal around there. That's my crazy boxer barking in the background. Make sure the seal is seated in there. Okay, back here, sorry I can't do this with one hand. So this is the new smoke lens. Just gonna press it on. Making sure that that is seated. No gaps. And that's that. We do that 3 more times. So that's the front done. Okay, same thing for the back. Man, I really just realized how dirty this motorcycle is. Sorry, it's been raining here the last few times I've ridden. Okay, Sadie. So same thing. Take that off, put it away so it doesn't get scratched. Bulb. Here's what I was talking about, the difference. Okay. Those are the same. Only one filament. Okay. Okay, had to redo that last one. I had to seal off down there. You want to make sure the seal's all the way in, all the way around it, to prevent water from getting in there. All right. Okay, one final thing to do. These are in, the smoked lenses. Rear are in with the red lenses. Now, to reset the computer, we need to turn it on. Start the 4 ways. Turn it off. Keep the 4 ways flashing for 3 minutes. We'll be back. All right, it's been 3 minutes. Let's see if this works. May have done it backwards. Turn on the right, the left comes on. You know, wouldn't be surprised. Okay, flashing. Flashing. Let's turn it back on. Four ways off. And let's make sure everything works. Okay. Halo rings. Working. Excellent. Tail light is working. Right turn signal is flashing amber while the halo stays on. Rear turn signal is flashing. Left side. Side flashing. Left side flashing. Try 4 ways again. Check. Check. And let's make sure the brake is working. It works. We'll see how long it works. Cool. All right. That was install of Custom Dynamics front and rear LEDs on a 2024 Heritage Classic. Pretty easy. Hopefully I didn't mess it up. We'll see over the next few days if everything's still working. Anyway, stay safe. Go ride. Later.